Ever lost sleep wondering if your money is safe with StashAway? You're not alone. The promise of effortless wealth growth is enticing, but what happens when the market takes a nosedive? Can you really lose money with StashAway? Let's dive in. First off, let's clear the air. No investment is entirely risk-free. That includes your trusty savings account. Inflation alone can erode your purchasing power over time. So, while StashAway offers a level of automation and diversification, it's essential to understand the potential downsides. StashAway primarily operates using exchange-traded funds, ETFs. These are baskets of securities, like stocks and bonds. The value of these ETFs fluctuates based on market conditions. When the market's on a roll, your investment grows. But when it takes a tumble, well, that's when things can get interesting. Now, let's talk about StashAway's risk profiles. They range from conservative to aggressive. Conservative portfolios lean more towards bonds, which are generally considered less risky. Aggressive ones, on the other hand, are heavily invested in stocks, which can be more volatile. So, the potential for loss is directly tied to your risk appetite. But fear not, there's a safety net. StashAway offers different investment goals, like retirement, education, or just general wealth accumulation. Each goal has its own risk profile. Additionally, they have rebalancing features, which means they automatically adjust your portfolio to maintain your desired risk level. However, let's not ignore the elephant in the room: market crashes. Even the most diversified portfolio can take a hit during these times. It's crucial to remember that investment is a long-term game. Short-term fluctuations are part of the ride. So, can you lose money with StashAway? Technically, yes. But the likelihood and impact depend on your risk tolerance, investment horizon, and the overall market performance. StashAway provides tools and features to mitigate risks, but it's not a guaranteed money-making machine. Remember, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, whether it's StashAway or any other investment vehicle. Consider other investment options and consult with a financial advisor to build a comprehensive investment strategy. Ultimately, the decision to invest with StashAway or any platform is personal. Weigh the pros and cons, understand the risks involved, and make an informed choice. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.